Natural hair, you don't see it often because I can't stand it. I lost a ton of hair probably like a year and a half ago, and I'm in the process of growing it back and getting it healthy. It's time for a trim, and I don't feel like making an appointment. We're gonna do it ourselves. Watched a YouTube video. We're gonna follow along with the steps, and my hair is very naturally curly, so I washed it and straightened it yesterday. I'm just going through and making sure it's nice and straight. And just a little disclaimer, please do not tell me to wear my hair naturally curly. It's not gonna happen no matter what anybody says. Front part is what I hate the most. See how that's clear and see-through and just stringy and gross. I lost the whole front of my hairline, so it's all just growing back in different lengths, and I've chopped my hair super short so many times. I'm not doing it again, so we're gonna have to make the best of it until it all grows out together. I split my hair in half so that it's somewhat even. Doesn't have to be perfect, I don't think. Hopefully not. And then I'm gonna pin this part up and out of the way. And she says to grab a couple inch section on each side and put a little rubber band at the end where you're going to want to cut. And then I'm going to grab my scissors. I got these on Amazon. I'll put them in my storefront. I'm already going rogue. I decided to take the rubber band out, but she said to do crab claws. So I'm putting the hair in between my fingers. I'm going to bring it down to where I want it. She said hold it close to your body. And then, oh God, I'm nervous. That was kind of a lot of hair. Now I have to try to match this side up, and this is going to be our guide piece, I guess. This is somewhat even. I'm already regretting this though. Like, what the fuck am I actually doing right now? We need to bring another section down. Got a chunk down. My feet are sweating right now. They're like sticking to the floor. So I'm using the shortest piece as a guide and chop. First, I don't understand how, but this seems like it's coming out somewhat even. Go to part 2 and we'll finish this up.
Okay, so we're gonna go a bit shorter today. The inspo picture. Do this shot here.
Inch lower than my
Okay. Amazing. You have such thick hair and take some weight out so it's not feeling too bulky. It'll give you a blunt effect without it being heavy and weighed down. Do a refresh of your gloss. Richen up a little bit, deepen it a bit since it's summer. Hey, let's do it.
I'm not a regular mom, I'm a cool mom.
Or
Good! Thanks, babe. Love it.
little bob today. Here are inspo pics. Here's what we started out with. It just has no shape, very bulky. Right off the bat, I knew that she would be a great candidate for a razor because her hair is really dense and it's kind of slick and she has a lot of wave. Sometimes you can't tell your hair is wavy. I could tell that hers was because on top it was straight, but when I would part underneath, I could see there was a wave pattern. But her top layers were so dense and not layered at all, so it wouldn't allow her pattern to show through. I tend to do this thing while I'm razoring, like I'll take a section and just fluff it up with my hand after I razor a section because I want to see what her hair's doing. I know that she's gonna not style it. She wants her natural wave to be the star of the show here, so I'll just take my hands and make it a little bit messy as I'm going to keep track of what's going on. I'm finishing with this styling cream by Allure, but you can use anything that's a little bit grippy and a little bit slippy. This is just gonna give her enough hold to bring out her natural wave in the back, but enough slip for me to be able to smooth out the front like I want to. It's really nice. When I turn her around, look at how nice those layers with the razor made that pattern pop out. I finished a little bit with a diffuser and then my iron on top just to perfect some curls. Check it out, dude. She looks so cute. Oh my gosh. So what do y'all think? Do you like it? Is it cute? Let me know in the comments. And if you like getting inspiration from videos like this, please like and follow for more.
My hair always looks so good just when I'm about to cut it. Now I always have second thoughts.
I've always been so in love with this kind of hairstyle, like a straight bob that's really, really short, like it's above the chin. It's so in love. I mean, I'm so in love that I've done this haircut in the past a lot of times before. So yeah, I am my own inspiration. And I was so nervous when the stylist was cutting it because at one point she was like, Mom, is it okay if we shave the back? And I was like, shave the back? I don't want it that short. But it was just to make it really blunt and straight. And I appreciate the attention to detail. Just like this. I found it so funny because wala lang, she only started doing that when I was recording. And even when she was blow drying, I fell in love with it. Oh, rip all my hair. And I just love feeling so fresh again. I feel like my own person. And then I also treated myself to some Cinnabon because yes to self-care dates, yes to feeling your best, and yes, just yes. Good day.
I love you guys.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday. Does a drop top good? Said you wanna drive it down real soon. I just wanna love you like I do, 'cause I never had someone like you.